Hello and welcome back to WHUMI AI Uncovered, where artificial intelligence meets real-world impact and income. But before we begin, quick tip for AI power users: if you're looking to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or Pro, but don't want to pay full price, I've got a solution. You can now upgrade with up to 50% off, no international card needed, just an email address and a few clicks. Plus, I also provide discounted access to other premium AI tools, like Midjourney Claude Pro 11 Labs Copilot, all at rates way cheaper than usual. Check the video description or pinned comment below for the full list and upgrade guide. Now, back to business. If you've ever wondered how do people actually make money with AI, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'll break down the top 5 most profitable jobs using AI, the tools you'll need, the skills to master, and most importantly, how much money you could potentially make. Let's dive in. First up, AI-powered content writing and SEO. If you enjoy writing, storytelling, or even marketing, this career is a goldmine. Potential earnings. Freelancers can make anywhere from $30 to $200 per article. SEO optimized long-form blog content can fetch even more, especially in affiliate marketing, tech reviews, or finance. Some creators earn $3,000, $10,000 a month running content websites powered almost entirely by AI. What tools do you need? ChatGPT for writing and brainstorming. Compare it up with Jasper AI. Great for long-form blog automation, for Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer to optimize content for Google search. Grammarly for grammar and readability. Let's break it down. ChatGPT helps you outline, draft, and rewrite articles faster than ever. You give it the topic and tone, it gives you paragraphs of solid copy. Jasper AI goes a step further with workflows designed for blog writers. You can feed in keywords and generate 1,000+ word articles ready for review. Surfer SEO or Neuron Writer analyze top-ranking Google results and guide your article structure, keyword density, and headings. This is how you beat the algorithm, not just write pretty text. Grammarly, it polishes your final draft, improving tone clarity and avoiding basic mistakes. Result: fully optimized, high-quality content ready to publish or sell, all done in hours, not days. Second, AI graphic design, especially for print-on-demand businesses. From t-shirts to posters, mugs to digital downloads, this is where creativity meets commerce. How much can you earn? Creators selling AI-generated art on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or Gumroad report earnings from $500 to $5,000+ per month, depending on niche volume and trends. Essential tools: Midjourney, stunning art from text prompts; Leonardo AI, commercial-safe customizable image generation; Canva AI, design-ready templates and image edits; Photoshop or Photopea, optional for advanced edits. Here's how they work. Midjourney turns written prompts into incredible artwork. Want a cyberpunk owl and a neon forest done? It's ideal for posters, t-shirt prints, or fantasy art. Leonardo AI gives you a cleaner UI with more commercial control. You can upscale images, remove watermarks, and fine-tune styles. Canva AI, on the other hand, makes your artwork usable. It helps you add text to range elements, resize for different products, even auto-suggest layouts. For more control, Photoshop or Photopea lets you clean up edges, remove artifacts, or prepare images for print specs. Result: you create products you can sell instantly, no physical inventory required. Number 3, voiceover and translation services powered by AI. This is perfect if you're bilingual, a voice actor, or just good at reading scripts. Potential earnings: AI voiceover gigs on Fiverr start around $50 per 2-minute voice, but professionals doing explainer videos, podcasts, or dubbing earn $500 to $2,000 a month easily. Key tools: ChatGPT to translate or rewrite scripts, DeepL for natural context-aware translation, 11 Labs for high-quality AI voice cloning, Audacity for audio editing and effects. Let's break it down. ChatGPT is perfect for summarizing or translating long scripts into different tones or languages, formal, friendly, etc. DeepL is known for its human-like translation quality, great for scripts where nuance and emotion matter. 11 Labs lets you pick lifelike voices or clone your own. You can adjust pitch, speed, accent, perfect for narrations or TikTok videos. Audacity allows you to trim, fade, add music, and create polished voiceovers ready for clients or your own content. Result: you can offer multi-language dubbing, podcast, narration, audiobook reading, all from your laptop. Number 4, AI short-form video creation for platforms like TikTok Reels and YouTube Shorts. Income potential: affiliate marketers and content creators using AI tools earn anywhere from $300 to $10,000+ monthly, depending on niche virality and audience targeting. Must-have tools: CapCut Plus AI, features, PL, subtitles, autocuts, Runway ML AI, video editing, object removal, green screen, Pictory or Flicky, convert text into animated or narrated video, Canva Video Editor, for fast templates and mobile-ready content. How it works. CapCut makes editing fast with auto captions, cuts, and TikTok-ready filters. You can even use AI to detect scenes and add dynamic text. Runway ML is next level. It removes backgrounds, people, or objects and can create motion from still images. Pictory or Flicky convert blog posts or scripts into full videos with stock footage, music, and even AI voices built in. Canva simplifies mobile-first videos for Reels or Shorts with animated elements and templates. Result: you produce polished, viral-ready videos in hours, ideal for content farms, influencers, or digital agencies. Fifth, become an AI-powered virtual assistant or freelancer. This isn't just secretarial work, you'll be solving real business problems with AI. Earning potential, experienced AI freelancers charge $2,100 an hour. That's $2,000 to $8,000 a month, depending on tasks and clients. Core AI stack. ChatGPT for client communication, content research, slides AI, turn text into pitch decks and presentations. Synthesia, create AI avatars to deliver video messages, logo designs. WI for branding and logo creation. Zapier, Notion, AI workflow automation. Breakdown. ChatGPT helps draft emails, social posts, proposals, and reports. It's your daily writing assistant. Slides AI turns meeting notes or blog content into branded pitch decks, perfect for startup sales teams or consultants. Synthesia lets you create an AI avatar to deliver messages, great for explainer videos or internal corporate training. Luca or Designs, AI generate logos, brand kits, and marketing visuals, no designer needed. Zapier plus Notion AI help automate workflows and organize tasks. Imagine delivering a full productivity setup in a day. Result: you become the AI expert businesses call to streamline, create, and communicate. There you have it, 5 high-paying, future-ready jobs powered by AI. From writing to design video to voice AI is no longer just a tool, it's your business partner. Start small, pick one tool, master one service, and scale from there. And remember, if you want to upgrade to ChatGPT Plus or Pro at half the price or get cheap access to Midjourney, Claude 11 Labs, and more, check the description and pinned comment below. One last thing, don't forget to leave a comment with the next topic you want me to cover. Top-like suggestions will be turned into full episodes, with your name credited if you'd like. Thanks for watching Who Am I AI Uncovered. I'm your AI companion. See you in the next one.